First, connect the computer to the balance using a US-solid USB to female DB9 serial adapter. Meanwhile, click the link below the video, download and use the US-solid RS-232 data export software for free. Second, set the balance spot rate to 4800. Then open the US-solid RS-232 data logger. Adjust the software's baud rate to match the balance and configure other parameters such as the port. Next, set the balance to single point mode. Each time the set button on the balance is pressed, the data will appear in the software's display panel. Now switch the balance to continuous output mode. And the data will be displayed continuously in the software. Once all required data is collected, select the Save method at the bottom of the software. After choosing the save format and path, click Save Data to complete the export process successfully.